Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What can I use if I don't have a baking pan? You may use a drip tray or cookie sheet to provide enough structure at the bottom of the pan. If you are making cookies and dough-based products, it is unnecessary to patch the corners of your aluminum foil pan. Aluminum foil can also be used to resize your large pan into the right pan for your recipe. Can aluminium foil replace baking sheet? Aluminum foil with oil is another good substitute for parchment paper. As with a greased baking sheet, the fat may subtly impact the way your food cooks. Additionally, there is a chance that some of the food may stick to the pan. How do you make a baking tray with aluminium foil? To make a do-it-yourself, DIY, grill pan, stack 2 sheets of Reynolds Wrap heavy-duty aluminum foil. Flip a 13 by 9 by 2 inch pan upside down. Press sheets of foil around pan. Remove foil from pan and crimp ends to form a rim. Can I use aluminum foil for cookies? Baking on a greased cookie sheet will result in a crispy cookie that bakes quickly. Cookies baked on parchment will be soft and moist with a lighter colored bottom. Baking on aluminum foil produces a cookie that fits right in between crisp and soft, with a nicely browned bottom.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.